Hello and welcome to my channel with a new video. Today I have an iPad which has a blank screen and it was on charging for a few hours, but it's not showing anything on the display. But before I go deep into the solution, I just want to say that Apple has determined that under certain circumstances the screen on a limited number of iPad Air 3rd generation devices may go blank permanently. A brief flicker or flash may appear before the screen goes blank. Now, affected devices were manufactured between March 2019 to October 2019. So if you have an iPad 3rd generation and you're having this problem, so you might want to contact Apple because they'll be able to solve your problem. You might get a new one from them, or they'll be able to solve your problem. You don't have to worry about it. But if you have any other iPad Air generation or older model or new model, you're having this problem, so there could be three things causing this problem. Now, first of all, I want to recommend that you got to make sure you always use the the MagSafe iPad charger, OEM, original Apple. Now, some people I know they charge the iPad with the iPhone chargers, so that not only it damages the iPad battery, but it drains quickly as well and reduces its life. So the first solution we're gonna do is the simple one, the hard reset. So if your iPad has a home button, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold the power button and the home button at once. Okay, so just to let you know that this I have fixed the problem of this iPad, and I will tell you what was actually wrong with it. So you press and hold the power button and home button, and as soon as you see the Apple device, the Apple logo, you let it go. Okay, but before doing that, you got to make sure the iPad is on. So most of the times it solves lots of glitches, the software glitches and other issues. Now, this iPad was on charging, but as I said earlier, it was not actually charging. The reason was the charging port was not clean enough. There was something stuck in it, dust or the lint. So what I did is I used this toothbrush, and just cleaned it gently. Do not use anything metal which can result damaging the charging port. And I just cleaned it gently, and I used the compressed air. Okay, and I used the compressed air into the charging port. I hope you can see right here. And after that, it started. I saw the the battery icon. That means it started charging. So which is good. Now, if your problem is not solved by hard reset, the next thing you can do is you can connect your iPad with a charging cable. Okay, and you have to do the same thing. Press the power button and home button together and keep it holding until you see your iPad in a recovery mode. Now, just to let you know, if you are using iPad without home button, to hard reset that, you have to press the volume up button quickly and release, and then press volume down button, and then you press and hold the power button. So as you can see now, it says connect to iTunes, and it will solve your problem. So you don't have to reset it, the whole iPad, and lose all the data. What you can do is, I'll show you later, connect with my laptop, that you can connect with your laptop, and using 3U tool, just exit recovery mode. Okay, so you don't have to update the software or restore the software, just exit recovery mode. So most of the time it solves the problem once you exit recovery mode. And the next step, I will be showing you how to connect it with 3U tool, and then exit recovery mode. And the third and last solution, if not the first two solutions don't work, then you're gonna have to connect it to, again, 3U tools or iTunes, and then you're gonna have to restore it, and you will end up losing all the data. So now the next step, let me just connect it with my laptop and I'll show you how to exit recovery mode and how that helps.